So this is the hoop, and it's got a plastic groove on the inside. I don't know if you can see that. That holds the fabric a little tighter. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna stretch the fabric inside of the hoop. All right, so I just laid the fabric on top of the inner ring, and then I'm going to put the outer ring on, and then I'm gonna pull on the edges of the fabric. And then I'm gonna tighten a little more, pull on these a little more, tighten it down, and just repeat that until it makes a drum sound. Okay? All right. Got that done. The next thing we're gonna do is thread our punch needle with the first color of yarn that we're gonna use. All right,